Now, with macOS Ventura, you can have background sounds playing as you're working. These ambient noises can help you focus and reduce distraction. To turn them on, we're going to go into System Settings, and then from here we're going to find Accessibility. On this screen, click onto Audio, and then scroll down slightly. From here you'll see Background Sounds, and you can turn it on just by flicking this toggle. Of course we can change the settings here as well, so I'm going to turn the volume down slightly so you can hear me talk. That's better. And then I'm going to turn on the toggle underneath, which means it will stop playing when I lock my device or when it goes to sleep. Then we can choose what background sound we like, and there are 6 different options. Click onto here, and let's have a quick listen to the options now. Balanced noise sounds like this. Bright noise sounds like this. Dark noise sounds like this. Ocean sounds like this. While you're listening to this one, and you're feeling calm and relaxed, why don't you press the subscribe button down below? That way you won't miss any more of my Mac tips and tricks videos. You've heard it already, but rain sounds like this. And finally, stream sounds like this. When you've chosen the one that will help you focus and concentrate the most, you can simply come out of System Settings, and that noise will then continue playing as you work on your Mac. Of course, you can turn it off at any time by jumping back into Settings and turn the toggle off.